me sound this as a warning. If you are the one coming to my dream wearing Enogie face, let me warn you now. If you have been coming to my dream in disguise of Enogie, it's not going to work.
Hey, wait, my people, while I know the finish, oh, hey, my people, una see this sister where they here so. Una know say this sister, now she come and contact us say, now so she dey crush on Papa twins, the other one, she dey talk different thing for her video. Hey, not be small thing. This video where they up for yes, so I go play am for now, make una listen. Different men. He said, don't they see different men for a dream? Oh, hey. Una know say do one video where it talk say he want make you see Papa twins for a dream. Not be so much thing. He said na so she come dey dream. Na so she dey see different people that they come her dream. She can't warn them. She can't warn them. Make them stop her. He don't want make them. He don't want make she dey see them for her dream again. Say na Papa twins na she wants. Say anywhere where she dey, even though say they go they put Papa twins face or they go they put in hair, he go know say that person will come not be Papa twins. My people, which kind of wahala be this one? This one na wahala ogbogbonu. This one na wahala. Instead of her just to look for person where she go there, like maybe all those people where she dey see for dream now, maybe they free, they not get any woman where be say they get for house. She be good, but she just kukuma follow those people. Until not on the dream they see another person. You don't go reach your hand though. You go just dey like the thing go dey water you for brain because many people say, some people say she newly born. Why some say this one, the other one? We don't know the one will be truth. Sister, if you know, say, you know they okay. Go meet doctor. You understand? Go try me, go meet doctor. Make them start to they give you something. May not go worse. Because why? Wait till you know if you get. You know go fit get time. It go worse in your case. You understand? Because that man where be say you want, may you see for your dream. You know go like see for your dream. So what is the need? So make sure say you go take something, may you go like treat yourself, okay? Because you know they wait may another man wey be say get wife for house with the family, may you come see am for your dream. Now another people now you go dey see for your dream. Don't say as you just come out you come to say you want may you see Papa twins for dream. E no gree call your dream. Other people wey you no even call, now they call inside your dream. So wetin you just do, go take care of yourself because something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong somewhere. May you go like find how you take look for other people where be say then they libre. Where they not get wife, they not get children. Especially when not get wife for house. Now you go find. Say you they look for person where be say you get wife for house. That one not go work. You don't go feel work because you know if you can't drive your wife come out because of say you can't see one woman where be say you want me see her for dream. You understand? So that one no go work, my sister. My people, I go put the video for now. Anybody wey know this woman, mona try, mona help her. Because we know say then they talk her for the social media say UK no easy, they boundary, they this one, you feel go depressed, and many things fit they happen if you not get anybody for there. Sister, may you find somebody. I still know say you one or two person go still there where be say they not get wife for that side. Just look for that side. Or if you not get, say maybe you get documents. You feel say travel come Euro side, you understand? Look for somebody where be say as you say make I talk, or may you kukuma they travel go Nigeria. Find one way be say you with and go jam together. May you if you want bring and come, you feel bring and come. You understand? Or may you go the meter for that side because this one where you there so it go worsen your case so nobody go feel help you. Because person where you say you want to make you the dream for where you they see for dream, he not go like on your dream. He not go come. Maybe now that thing I ain't just now your brain they tell you say na Enogie now you want. You not feel need that. You know they not be single. Okay? Make I put this a video, make una listen. As it can't warn all those people where be say they wrong come a dream. Wahala not the finish this social media. Wahala not the finish you. You see all of the wrong come. He dream. He say make una stop am, make una not try am again. Anyway, my people, make una help me love and like and share this video for me. Leave your opinion. Una know this woman for anywhere. This lady wey be say need they no get with by force. Una know her. If una know, I'm gonna go help her for real. I don't even know the tribe wey be. I don't know where it dey. But some people say na UK dey. Some people say newly born, which I don't know. I don't know where it dey. He need help. He need help. It's not be normal thing, eh? Now bye bye for now.
Let me sound this as a warning. If you are the one coming to my dream wearing a Enogie face, let me warn you now. If you have been coming to my dream in disguise of Enogie, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. Yes, I always go to bed having that mindset that I will see Enogie, one of Dutchland, in my dream. But a lot of you have taken it upon yourself. Some of these men have taken it upon yourself. You're taking it personal. You're covering, using the Enogie face to cover and appear in my dream. See, you cannot get me. If not Enogie, it's no one else. I've crushed so deep to Enogie, like I'm crushing on him that so deep that if you like wear his face, I would know it's not Enogie. If you like, go and carry dreadlocks, I will know you are not the real Enogie. I have been having different dreams of some of you men or guys coming in disguise of Enogie, professing love. It's not going to work. Okay? I know what I feel. I know what I feel for Enogie, and it's real. Because what I feel for him is real. It's genuine. That is why if you come in disguise of him, you wear Enogie face and appear in my dream. Guy, I know you. I know you. Say by their fruit you shall know them. I know you. You can't get me. You can't get me. Yes, I wish to see Enogie in my dream. Yes, I wish to see him in my dream. Yes. I wish to wake up in the morning and say, oh God, I had a pleasant night. Like I had a good and sweet dream. I don't want to see you guys in my dream. I don't want you. You're not the one I'm expecting. You guys are not the one I'm expecting. So stop coming to my dream. It's annoying me. Stop ruining my nights. I want to sleep and dream. The only person I want to see in my dream now is Enogie, one of Dutchland. I don't want to see you guys. I don't care what you have to offer. You don't even have any, like whatever you have cannot buy what I feel for Enogie. I've had enough of you coming to my dream in disguise of Enogie, wearing his face. You can wear his face, yes, but you can never take that place in my heart. No, he's a big, like, God, what is that? Please stop it. If you're the one, if you know you're not scared, why wear his face? Why wear his face? Come to my dream with your real face. If I will not design you, I will leave a tribal mark on your face. Stop ruining my nights. Stop ruining my dream. I know who I'm expecting. When I see who I'm expecting, I will know. When I see who I'm expecting, I will know. Stop fooling yourself. Stop. Just stop it there. Stop it there. Okay? You know yourself, right? Because I don't know you. You're wearing a Enogie face. You're covering, appearing. You want to be like him. You can't be him. You can't. No. I don't think anyone can replace that. So stop it. Go and sleep. I know what I'm expecting in my dream. I know what I want to see in my dream. I know what I want. Just stop it. I know what I'm expecting. So when I see what I'm expecting, when I see Enogie that I'm expecting in my dream, I will sure know. Stop wasting my nights. I don't like it. I went to bed prepared, expecting to see my Enogie, one of Dutchland. So don't come and ruin it. Don't come and use your don't let me insult you, please. I don't do that. Enough of it.